Move and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Millsboro local and long-distance movers near me. At 3 Movers, we can relocate your belongings interstate, locally, or within the same state. We have good working relationships with the officials in charge of the relocation procedure, both local and federal. We have insurance plans in place because we care about our customers and their belongings. These insurance policies cover liabilities during the migration. We employ only the most professional and dedicated movers and drivers, and they will transport your belongings without mistreating or losing them. You don't have to be concerned about us defrauding you because all of our services are reasonably priced. Local moves are far less expensive than long-distance moves. Our rates are reasonable. Our experienced and qualified local movers will give you excellent value for your money by following your instructions. We've already worked in huge cities and urban areas, so we know how to transport your goods there safely. Our crew of local movers is the best in the business, and they are always glad to help you organize your moving process. You can get feedback from our local customers, and you'll find that they're all happy with our service. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Millsboro moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.